The world itself has put forward a step to witness its happenings with the digital eye. The knowledge sphere is now getting digital and reaching to the worldwide audience. In 1993, a journey began towards empowering young minds of the country with the power of higher education under the umbrella of Consortium for Educational Communication and Inter-University Centre of University Grants Commission. CEC was constituted to address the issues of accessing higher education through electronic media. CEC is enriched with vast repository of educational video programs, e-content, and short learning objects with the mission to provide quality and affordable education.
But the kind of job that we do goes and contributes immensely towards the development of a nation.
The Consortium is all set to meet the challenges of digital divide. CEC has more than 40,000 educational video programs produced by 21 media centers set up by UGC in various universities and academic institutions.
Whenever we get motivated by gratification. Say, for example, I build something, I make this pen, and I go to the market and sell this pen for 10 rupees. 10 rupees come immediately and I use this pen and it writes. It gives me gratification, it gives me satisfaction. But as far as teachers are concerned, what we today blossoms 10 years later, 20 years later, and we don't even come to know who has blossomed in which way. Which student has done what in his life, we don't even come to know. Now that is where probably we need to only do service and service and service.
CEC disseminates the educational content through various ICT modes. CEC's Vyas Higher Education channel is webcast on various portals of MHRD, Sakshat and Government of India apart from its own portal. CEC has developed e-content courseware for undergraduates in 87 subjects under National Mission on Education through Information and Communication Technology of MHRD. Over 23,000 e-content modules, 12,000 short learning objects, and more than 100 massive open online courses have been developed. CEC has also played a crucial role in MHRD's initiative of fulfilling the dream of Digital India by developing an indigenous platform of learning, SWAYAM, which stands for Study Web of Active Learning by Young and Aspiring Minds. It is the hosting platform for massive open online courses. In addition to this, CEC is also a national coordinator for 11 of the 33 Swam Prabha direct-to-home television channels, an initiative of MHRD. CEC delivers 4 hours live lectures on various subjects which can be viewed on CEC web portal. These lectures are also uploaded on the YouTube. CEC provides training to the national participants, academicians as well as international media professionals in multimedia and e-learning development. National and international seminars are organized to keep abreast with the changing trends in the media and education scenario. Prakriti, an annual documentary film festival, is an effort to sensitize the general masses on key issues of environment, development, and human rights. Annual educational video competition is being organized to encourage excellence in the field of educational video and multimedia-based program production. CEC's most prestigious Vikram Sarabhai Lifetime Achievement Award is given to honor those people who have contributed towards the progress of humanity. CEC aims to address the need of quality education by focusing on excellence in the field of digital learning and supporting the cause of Digital India.
So I believe that we are into great service of teaching, we are in great service of building a nation, and we need to contribute towards it.